In this video, you are going to learn how to set margins in MS Word. To set or adjust margin in MS Word, go in Page Layout tab and here you can see margins. Click on it and you can see there are different already defined margins templates. Say normal, narrow, moderate, wide, and you can see normal margins are top, bottom, left, right, 1 inch. So if you want to customize these margin, click on custom margin and here you can see you can change the margin, top margin or left margin, bottom and right. So whatever margin you want to set, you can set here. This is how you can set margin in MS Word. Please like and share this video and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.